Living in the UK with fearful English was not easy for me. Every day felt like a test. When people spoke, their voices sounded fast and unclear. My ears tried to listen carefully, but my mind felt tired very quickly. I knew some English words. I could understand small sentences. But when it was time to speak, everything felt heavy inside me. My heart started beating faster. My hands felt cold. My voice felt weak. If you feel the same, this slow English story is for you. This video is made especially for UK A1 English beginners who want to feel calm, safe and confident while learning English. When I first arrived in the UK, everything around me felt new and confusing. The streets were busy with people walking fast. Cars and buses moved quickly. Shops were full of noise. English was everywhere. On the bus, people talked to each other quickly. At bus stops, announcements played in fast English. I listened carefully, but I could not understand everything. I felt lost. I smiled at people, but inside I felt nervous and tired. In shops, workers asked questions I did not expect. Simple questions felt hard. My mind tried to translate words, but my mouth did not move. Many times I only nodded my head. Sometimes I said yes, even when I was not fully sure. I was scared of answering wrong. I was scared of my accent. I was scared that people would not understand me. Silence felt safer than speaking. At work, English felt even more difficult. My co-workers spoke fast and used words I did not know. They joked with each other and laughed together. I wanted to join them. I wanted to feel included. But fear stopped me. I worried that my English was not good enough. I worried that people would think I was slow or stupid. So most of the time I listened quietly. Inside I felt lonely and small. Every day, inside my mind, I practiced English. I made sentences quietly while walking or sitting alone. I repeated simple words again and again. I told myself, "You can speak, you are learning." But when the real moment came, my voice felt blocked. My throat felt tight. No sound came out. Maybe you feel this too. Many learners understand English but feel scared to speak, especially when living in a new country like the UK. Every morning before work, I tried to prepare myself. I woke up early. I made tea. While drinking tea, I listened to English on my phone. I repeated slow and simple sentences. When I was alone, it felt easy. I felt confident, but real conversations felt different. Fear changed everything. Fear made simple English feel difficult. At that time, my confidence was very small. Some days at work were very stressful. My manager asked simple questions. I knew the answers in my mind, but fear made my mind feel empty. I worried about grammar. I worried about pronunciation. I worried about making mistakes. Fear made small things feel big. I started believing that my English was bad, even though I was learning. One day, something important happened. A co-worker asked me a very simple question about my work. I knew the answer clearly. My heart started beating fast, just like always. But this time, I decided to try. I took a deep breath. I spoke slowly. My sentence was simple. My grammar was not perfect. I made a small mistake. But something surprising happened. My co-worker listened carefully. She smiled. She understood me. She replied kindly. Nobody laughed. Nobody corrected me. In that moment, I felt relief inside my chest. That small moment taught me a very important lesson. I learned that people do not expect perfect English. They only want clear communication. Speaking slowly is okay. Taking time is okay. Making mistakes is part of learning. English is not about speed. English is about understanding and being understood. After that day, I slowly changed the way I learned English. I stopped trying to speak fast. I stopped comparing myself to others. I focused on speaking clearly. I practiced slow English every day. I watched calm English videos. I listened carefully to simple words. I repeated sentences softly. Slowly, my fear became smaller. My confidence grew little by little. Some days were still hard. There were days when I did not understand much. There were days when I felt tired and frustrated. Sometimes I wanted to give up. But I reminded myself why I came to the UK. I came to build a better life. Learning English was part of that journey. I told myself that every small step mattered. At work, I started speaking more often. Even short sentences were enough. Saying hello helped. Asking simple questions helped. Answering slowly helped. Most people were patient. Many people were kind. I realized that my fear was bigger than the real problem. The real problem was not English. The real problem was confidence. Confidence does not come quickly. Confidence grows slowly like a small plant. Every time you speak, even a little, your confidence grows. Every time you listen carefully, your understanding grows. Slow English helps your brain relax. Calm English helps you think clearly. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a perfect accent. You only need to be understood. If you are living in the UK and English feels scary, remember you are not alone. Many beginners feel the same fear. Many people understand English but struggle to speak. This does not mean you are weak. It means you are learning something new, and learning always takes time. English feels difficult when it is fast. English feels friendly when it is slow. You deserve to learn in a calm and safe way. Speak slowly. Take your time. Trust yourself. You are doing better than you think. If this slow English story helps you feel calm and confident, subscribe for daily UK English practice. This channel is made only for A1 English learners in the UK. Thank you for listening. Remember, you are learning step by step, and you can do this.